Hi guys, Kapper here. Right now we are hauling Curtis's deer blind through a maze jungle. I had to close my windows. I was getting whacked with all these branches. Kind of an unnerving ride, and I can't see anything, but Curtis is guiding me. These stumps, everything else. So join us for another adventure today. November 15th, I think we are. All right, it's been a while since we took some equipment out. For today's field trip, we're putting the equipment trailer on, and we're gonna grab the skid steer, forks, and a bucket, and we're gonna go help Curtis out. Should be fun, just like old times. It's November 15th, right in the middle of hunting season, but I'm going to help Curtis out on his property. We are going to take a deer tower and place it, hopefully, if we don't get stuck somewhere. But the backstory with Curtis, he's been too busy to get this done. He just sold his house, and they just moved, and he finally got to realize his dream of owning some land where he lives. So he got a house with 20 acres that they just moved into. And he used to live like in a small town, like city-ish kind of thing. Not big city, but a small town. But now he has his own acreage. So that, and plus selling real estate, he's been pretty busy. So we're going to head over there. Hopefully we could have some success and congratulate him on his new house. He sold his old one at the same time. It was a smooth transition. So let's go help him out. What do you say, Curtis?
Cleaning out all the ladybugs and wasps.
Nice.
The blind.
Nice. Congrats on the house and the property, by the way.
Well, thank you.
I'm
excited. Been so busy. Get moved into the new place, which is the dream home. Dreams do come true.
Well, so, if you work hard enough, they
yep,
can.
Yep. A lot of hard work, but on the downside, haven't had a chance to go hunting yet.
Hopefully you do. Oh, crap. Look at this. I left the bucket on. We need forks, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
I got it covered.
Yo, just like the heated seat trick, huh?
Yeah.
I'm like, wait a minute, that bucket looks weird. I seen that.
We're ready. I brought that in case we got to do some digging. Rock and roll. We had to put a strap on there just to be safe so it didn't slip. So I should be able to go, you know, fast under the conditions anyways, you know, not have to totally crawl. crossing here. Hitting a few branches. And a brick. Oh. Man, it's a beautiful property. In some ways I'm a little jealous, but what he's got here, he's got so much thick cover, he's got a lot of nice bucks hiding in here. But on our property, we've added about 15 acres of new cover in the last 2 years, and it's almost thick enough to hold them like he's got over here. So we're getting better each year. I guess there's some deer up here. We jumped out. I couldn't see them, but Curtis saw them. Alright, now we're getting way back in the woods. Here's another crossing right here. We're going across. Man, I love this property. This thing is awesome. There's a scrape right there. A big old one. Look at that. Big old scrape. That's fresh. That's the kind of cover you need here, guys, for both some big ones. Forget about them. Foresters and biologists tell you they want all hardwoods. You need garbage like this. Oh boy, we got branches. So just to clarify what I meant, I don't want to offend any foresters or biologists, but around here, if you have a wood lot, the foresters and biologists try to improve it back to original hardwood stands, which means eliminating any invasive species and letting the hardwoods continue. But for a sportsman, you know, for a hunting aspect, the thick early successional growth provides tons of browse and tons of cover for not only deer but all the other animals. So it's just a differing opinion on what you want to do with your property and how you want it to lay out. Alright, here we come to see the magic that me and Curtis created this summer. Here's one of them. Beautiful. This is going to be, we're going to run into that big opening that we created. It looks, I think it's up the next bottleneck past it. Beautiful. Micro plot right back in here. Getting a lot of pictures of really nice bucks up in this property. So this is all new road system. There was nothing in here before, and between me and Curtis, and I think Curtis's partner Brandon had somebody who had a forestry mulcher. He came in here also, but me and Curtis did the majority of this. New roads and everything. And here's a big scrape right here. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Fresh, too. Alright, I see our next patch of green here. Oh, let me think here. I think I know exactly where we're at. Yeah, this is where we had to tag the hoochie and the bobcat in here. Now this is the big brand new clearing. This is all, you know, trees and stumps and crap. And he's got some nice corn up here. Wow, this thing turned out really nice. bucket on, and I'm going to try to smoothen out this crossing right here. It's pretty rough. Alright, so this is how we're hauling the tower out. We're probably not going to get video because he's got to walk in front of me and guide me. But you saw the whole trip, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll meet you out there with no damages. Right now we are hauling Curtis's deer blind through a maze jungle. This is my view right here. See Curtis through the window slots up there, and I can't see anything, but Curtis is guiding me. He's gonna guide me. It's gonna be a long ride, but that's what you do, man. You get ahead. See, it's very thick out here. All right, we'll see you in a while. So we're probably more than halfway there. So far so good. This is the crazy stuff you do when you want to get ahead deer hunting but have enjoyment on your property. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful setup, as long as we make it with no damage. Alright, we'll keep rolling. Windows. I was getting whacked with all these branches. Not even a nerving ride. You can't see anything where you're going. So all you can see is him. And then when we take hard rights and hard lefts, he gets stuck in the bushes. So we kind of got to wing it till we finish the turn. But I think we're more than halfway there right now. And so far, so good. Okay, so one of the measurements was off by like 1.5 inches or so. So it was supposed to slide in between them rails on the bottom tower. So the long and the short of it is we improvised and we set it on top of the rails, provided I can get them on here right now. We'll see how that goes. And then we did some, of course, redneck field testing to make sure it's sturdy. So let's finish it up.
Yeah, we can look at it and see. That should be good right there. What's that?
Yeah, it was kind of a go-to here, but I think we got it.
What do you say, Kapper?
We made it.
We got the blind up. Got to do some trimming. Got a food plot running back that way. Show you the views. That needs trimmed up.
Now you just need a carpet.